Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the Allure beauty box. I was not supposed to get this box, but they charged me and they did not give me a refund. So I made sure to message them back, email them, and tell them that I want to cancel this. I don't want to cancel it, but I am, because I'm on a no makeup buy for 6 months. So this is cheating a little bit, but I'm gonna go a few days after my no makeup buy, like 6 months, a few days past July. That way I actually stick to my no makeup buy for 6 months. Anyway, if you guys haven't seen that video, me talking about my no makeup buy, I will link it right above for y'all. But this is a January Allure beauty box, and I'm very excited about this. So they changed the box to a white box, and the inside, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is, holy crap, I'm so excited I got this, guys. Look how cute this is. It's like a reddish pink, to you guys it's red, but to me it looks a little bit pink bag. And we're just gonna open this puppy up, and this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, wow. I don't know, I wonder if they're going to like continually have yeah, it says right here. So the pure delight of digging into a fresh package of beauty products will never dim, but as we bring in 2019, we wanted the Allure beauty box to bring you even more joy, so now you'll find your products tucked in a very cute, if I do say so myself, pouch. Okay, that is so cute. This is actually going to be perfect to put some makeup products for me, like on the go, for like my gym bag, or even my shower stuff for the gym. So again, that's what it looks like. Super cute. First thing I'm seeing in here is the original beauty blenders. These are the micro minis. Look how freaking cute those are. And these are going to be so cute for just, I think I've used these before. I don't think I've actually used the like beauty blender, the small mini ones, but I've used the actual beauty blender. Oh my gosh, these are so soft and so cute. This will be like perfect to do just the little under eye, like concealer. Oh my gosh, those are adorable. Okay, love those. Next, I see this. Dang it. I do already have this color. This is the NCLA nail polish in Call My Agent. It's a very pretty pink, but I do have a color like this, so this is definitely something that I would probably end up like selling or giving as a gift. I then have this key. It's OUAI, and I know people pronounce it a little bit different, but I'm pretty sure it's the Key brand. This is a Sculpt and Body Scrub. I love body scrub. Oh my gosh, and that smells freaking amazing. Yeah, heck yeah. I will use this and let you guys know what I think. Again, this little sample size stuff is perfect to put in my gym bag. So, super excited about that. Alright, next I see this Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. This is supposed to advanced strength retinoid serum, delivers a 6.5% power blend to stabilize retinoids and retinoids like balance attract. I don't even really know what retinoids are. Apply at night on clear skin. So this is why they make this little pamphlet to kind of talk about it. So another new Sunday Riley product. This is a lightweight retinol smoothing lines. Oh wait, retinol for smoothing lines and brightening complexions. I've been using it for a few months, and my skin tone is definitely clearer and more even than before. What's up? Hunter wants to say hi, everyone. He's been a very, very clingy boy the last few days, so he's going to sit in my lap. But I'm excited about this because I am getting a bit older and I have these lines between here which drive me crazy and lines on my under eyes. So yeah. Also, don't mind my hair, don't mind my makeup, don't mind the lighting. Hunter and I just went to Costco and it is getting dark out. Ooh. Next is this Sunday Riley Vitamin C Turmeric Facial Oil. I am not a fan of facial oil. I'm just not a fan of oil. So yeah, this is something that I can sell as well as a nail polish, and I can definitely make my money back. Okay, so I actually just showered, and I told myself, try something new, Katie. Try the oil. I've just never been a fan of oil, just because I feel like with having an oily T-zone and stuff, it just enhances the oil. I put some on my forehead, but maybe I should just use the oil on my cheeks, the areas where I do get super dry in these areas. Plus, I have some redness and stuff going on here. I mentioned that in another video. I got this redness on my cheeks, this rosacea, like after I had Hunter. So maybe this oil will help. Plus, Sunday Riley is a very pricey brand, I've heard. And I really, to be honest, I don't like the smell of this whatsoever. I really don't. I think it's like the turmeric. But anyway, this lighting is absolutely terrible. There we go. But I'm going to let that oil soak in, and then a little bit later I'm going to try out the retinol serum from Sunday Riley as well. So maybe these will be in my favorites coming soon. Not quite sure, but we will see. Also, if you guys haven't seen, well, you will see my e.l.f. review soon, but I use the Pore Toning Balm, which is awesome. So anyway, I'm going to use this oil out for a few days and see if I actually like it. I see in here this, what is this pumpkin? This is the Molly Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra. Let's see what color this is. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's like a brownish copper. Again, something that I'm not going to use because I have something like this already. But then we got a Douce, I think it's called, lip crayon and winter berry. So it's very pretty. Again, something that I won't use. So, but this is a really good box for me unexpectedly getting it. So I'll definitely use the little mini beauty blenders, the sugar scrub, and the retinoid cream, or whatever it's called. Alright, so if you guys like this video, be sure you hit that bell notification button. Also, subscribe, and stay tuned. I have tons of videos coming out, guys, because I have to get rid of my old phone that I used to record on, and I need to, I edited so much, I can't talk, sorry. Edited so many videos, so I even uploaded. Today it's going to be, yesterday I uploaded 2 videos, or if this one's going up tonight, it means I uploaded 3 videos, but, I don't even know. So I'm uploading a lot, so I hope you guys enjoy. Anyway, Chunk and I will see you in our next video. Bye, guys.